Hello, landlords and property managers in Bengaluru. Let's be honest. Handling evictions is one of the most difficult aspects of rental property management. It's emotionally draining, legally sensitive, and requires great care. Yet, when faced with persistent lease violations or non-payment rent, issuing an eviction notice becomes essential to safeguard your investment. That's where a well-drafted, legally compliant eviction notice template makes all the difference. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a standardized eviction notice template that is clear, enforceable, and aligned with Karnataka's tenancy laws. Whether you manage a single flat or a portfolio of rental properties, having this tool in your property management toolkit is crucial. Let's dive in. 1. Know the legal significance of an eviction notice. An eviction notice is more than just a formal warning. It's a legal document and the first official step in initiating an eviction process. It must comply with applicable local laws, including content, timing, and delivery methods. A single misstep can delay proceedings or result in dismissal by the court. Your standardized template must include jurisdiction-specific legal language to ensure it holds up under legal scrutiny. It's highly advisable to cross-check this with a legal expert or property law advisor familiar with Karnataka housing laws. 2. Identify the eviction type clearly. Your template should allow the landlord to specify the type of eviction being pursued. This could be a pay or quit for non-payment rent, a cure or quit for lease violations, or an unconditional quit when immediate vacating is required. Each notice type carries different compliance deadlines. Ensure your template includes a clear field to note the eviction type, so it can be tailored as per each case. This makes your property management process consistent and efficient. 3. Capture tenant and property details accurately. Every eviction notice must clearly identify the tenants and the rental property involved. Your template should have fields for the tenant's full legal name, address of the rental unit, and unit number. If the property is leased jointly, make sure to list all tenants mentioned in the lease agreement. Errors or omissions in this section can lead to unnecessary legal complications or challenges. Clearly state the reason for eviction. Transparency is essential when citing the cause for eviction. Clearly mention the reason, whether it's unpaid rent, unauthorized alterations, property damage, or ongoing lease violations. The reason should be backed by facts and should match property records. For example, rent of 18,000 Indian rupees due for June 2025 remains unpaid as of July 1st, 2025. Avoid vague or emotionally charged wording. Stick to factual and date-specific entries to protect your legal standing. 5. Define the corrective action and timeline. The tenant must be informed of what they need to do to rectify the situation, if any remedy is available. For instance, if it's a pay or quit notice, specify the exact amount due and the final date for payment. For a cure or quit, mention the violation and what must be corrected. This section should reference local deadlines, e.g., within 7 days from the date of this notice, to ensure compliance with Karnataka's eviction regulations. Clarity here encourages resolution and minimizes legal escalation. 6. Explain consequences of ignoring the notice. Your template must state what happens if the tenant does not comply. Wording such as failure to resolve the stated issue by the given date will result in formal eviction proceedings under Karnataka's tenancy laws should be included. This sets clear expectations and shows that you are prepared to act in accordance with the law. 7. Include a proof of delivery section. Proof of service is often overlooked, but absolutely essential. This section of the eviction notice documents how and when the notice was delivered to the tenant. It should include fields for method of delivery, personal handover, registered post, or email, and signature/date fields for confirmation. Courts may require this as part of eviction proceedings, so build it directly into your standardized format. 8. Use a calm, professional tone throughout. While the situation may be frustrating, the tone of your notice should remain neutral and respectful. Do not include accusatory statements or emotional language. A professional tone upholds your credibility and ensures the notice is seen as a legal document, not a personal attack. It also helps maintain a level of respect in landlord-tenant relations, especially if resolution becomes possible before formal eviction. 9. Structure the document for legal clarity. Formatting plays a major role in readability and comprehension. Your template should be cleanly structured with bold section headings, consistent fonts, and clearly marked fields. Key sections should include tenant details, property details, reason for eviction, corrective measures, deadline, legal consequences, and proof of service. This format enhances legal clarity and helps tenants fully understand their obligations. 10. Keep the template legally updated. Housing laws are not static. Regular updates to your eviction notice template are necessary to reflect changes in regulations, deadlines, or required disclosures. Review the template at least annually or after any significant change in Karnataka's rental or eviction laws. If you work with a legal advisor or a property management service, have them conduct a routine legal audit of the document to keep it enforceable. Bonus tip: automate your eviction workflow. To increase efficiency and minimize manual errors, consider digitizing the process. Use property management software that includes automated templates and workflows. These systems allow you to input tenant data, generate legally formatted notices, and send them using verified communication channels. Automation also helps track deadlines and follow-ups, reducing the burden of manual management and improving compliance. Partner with SANGAU for eviction management you can trust. At SANGAU, we understand the challenges property owners face during eviction scenarios. Our standardized, legally vetted eviction notice templates and automated processes ensure your actions are both compliant and professional. We handle the legal paperwork, so you can focus on managing your properties with confidence. Whether you're dealing with rent defaults or lease breaches, SANGAU provides the expert support you need for swift, smooth, and stress-free eviction management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more property management insights and practical tips from SANGAU. Need expert help with tenant issues and legal documentation in Bengaluru? Reach out to us today. We're here to make property management hassle-free.